All right, this is Erik Ruck with Team Tige. Innovation, versatility, functionality. Those are just a few things that make me proud to be a part of Team Tige. From the Tige Touch, low-profile dashboards, towers, convex V's, those are just a couple examples of 20 years of industry-leading innovation, and it's just the beginning. Being a pro wakeboarder for Team Tige, obviously what I like most about the boat is the wake. From the Convex V, the TAPS 2, and the Pro Ballast, Tige gives you the tools to personalize your wake from beginners all the way up to pros. And remember, the technology is ours, but the wake is yours.